Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You are seeing the border design of lotus flower on silk kota saree. My details are in this video and below this video in description. I do order works and take online classes for professional courses. I teach oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, orchid flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, faces, birds and many more. You can see my other videos for my exclusive artworks. I am teaching tanjore on sarees, dresses and blouses. For this lotus flower I have taken metallic red and crimson, and for leaves I have taken sap green and little bit of red. I am using 8 number round brush. I have freehand painting course book of 65 pages in black and white with notes about techniques in painting and the anatomy of flowers. Those who are interested in buying the book, they can buy and they can follow my videos of freehand painting in my channel. Those who are interested in learning freehand painting can join my online classes, and they can also see my live videos in my channel of freehand painting. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on freehand painting and other techniques in painting and other artworks. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye. My contact is in this video and below this video in description. Those interested can contact me. Thank you.